This is the hotel we're staying at. Hotel Garden Istra, Plava Laguna. Our hotel room. Nice. Closet. Bathroom. The bed. And then the balcony. And then a small TV. Mini fridge too, but has stuff inside. Wacha! Nom 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 noms. And then a balcony view. Wow. Nice. Woohoo. Forgot to mention, this hotel does not have USB for charging. So bring adapters or external batteries. Well, at least the hotel has air conditioning. I don't know what buttons to push though. But I'm pretty sure it's air conditioning because it's very warm right now in the room. I can hear it working. I think it's that one. Or it could be that one over here. Not sure.